Hi guys, this is Vaja and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the first time. So I know what you guys must be wondering right now, that why do I look so ugly? Well, it has taken a lot of courage for me to sit down and get you guys your highly demanded get unready with me video. Just kidding. I'm pretty much comfortable in my skin and I love the way it is. So here I am presenting you my skincare routine, which was highly requested on my Instagram. So I hope you guys do like and enjoy it. So without further ado, let's hop in.
First we'll start with removing makeup. First I'm going to be removing my eye makeup. This is a water-based cleanser and is really good for sensitive areas in skin like mine and obviously sensitive area like eye. Next I'm going with Nivea Body Milk as cream cleanser. I'll just apply and rub it on my face and then try to remove the makeup with a cotton. This does wonders. Also because I have dry and combination skin, it leaves my skin really not so dry and patchy. Next I'm going with Cetaphil. It's an oil based cleanser, basically a face wash but does not have foam in it. Again, it's best for skin like mine. It even works really well on oily skin. And here presenting you my ugly face. Next I'm going with exfoliating my skin and I'm using two physical exfoliators. They aren't chemical, that is the only reason I said it's physical. These are green tea and sugar. I'm making it a mixture, putting in some water and then applying it on my face, leaving it for 10 minutes and then rubbing it off. This will remove all my dead skin and debris and makes my skin look really flawless and soft. Next I'm going with two toners. I'm not showing you the bottle because I have made my own toners and filled in some other bottle. These are rice water, rose water and green tea toners that I have made myself. They are completely natural, soothes your skin a lot, tightens your pores, and I'm just massaging it into my skin. Just makes your skin baby soft. Next, instead of eye mask, I'm going with a natural eye mask. That is cucumbers. They are really hydrating and cooling. I'm putting it and leaving it there for about 10 minutes and just rubbing all the inside it over my eyes and massaging it again. Shit, that seed is giving me anxiety. Remove it. Thank God. Only applying products on your face is not important. Massaging is equally important and is what you put in your body so that your skin becomes really glowing and nice. These are all the pressure points which reduces the bloating and makes your face look more livelier. This is for the smile lines. This is basically called yoga. Yes, it's called face yoga and it is not like I'm making funny faces. Next is for my double chin. If anyone has this is really good. Kissing the giraffe. Next I'm going with a gel moisturizer. This is a Hyaluronic moisturizer and has hyaluronic acid in it. It is one of my favorite moisturizing gel and I've been saying this forever. Lastly, Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It is a bit more heavy than the gel moisturizer, but it leaves your skin so shiny and so smooth. This is really my favorite. Also, after applying it, I'm gonna massage it into my skin and my neck. Do not forget your neck, yes. And the last step is sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen is very important even if you are just sitting in your house. That's it for my skincare routine, and yep, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.